Spice Kitchen by Exotic Foods. Today we're going to do something a bit more Western, combined with some Asian flavors. We're going to have a ribeye with our Thai steak sauce, and we're going to do a salad of cucumbers with some sesame, some shallots, and some hot chili oil. This combination will probably go really well together because the freshness of the cucumbers will cut through the ribeye real well. Okay, we're just going to sear it off, and after that we're going to serve it together. Okay, we're going to start with the beef. It's a nice piece of ribeye. We're going to cut into cubes, about 1 inch thick. We're going to get some of our Thai steak sauce here. Just pour into a plate. Just roll this in there with some pepper as well. Mix it up and leave it to marinate just for a little bit. Right, now we're going to put some pepper, some olive oil, or some vegetable oil, whichever you like. Just onto the pan here. Make sure your pan's hot. You're going to take the ribeye you just marinated here. Just pop it on. You want to get a nice color on all sides. And you want to use some beef with some fat on it so you get more flavor. Give it a turn. Just about half a minute on each side. Just get some color in it. You don't want to cook it too dry. Okay, now you're going to come to your cucumbers. Take the tips off. Cut in half. Line your cucumber up. And lay this here. Get your sesame oil. Sprinkle on the cucumber. And then take your Thai steak sauce, some sesame, chop the cucumber. There you have it. Ribeye with cucumber salad and Thai steak sauce.